Street in Central Line. So I got down from this Central Line train. So I have to book a ticket to go to Chelmsford half peak. Half peak means after 9:30 it is half peak. Rates will be less and trains will be less rush. So I will book half peak ticket from Liverpool. Great Going out from Tube, so it's underground. So then I have to go to overground to take a national rail. Here national rail means national rail ante so city కాకుండా లండన్ సిటీ కాకుండా బయటకు వెళ్ళేవాడిని నేషనల్ రైల్ అంటారు. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ నేషనల్ రైల్ టు Chelmsford. It is only 30 minutes, 35 minutes from by train to Chelmsford. Right side is way out, so I have to use this gate. You can clearly see the signs. Overground, Elizabeth line right side, national line right side, trains to Stansted. So way out. So I have to go to national rail to take my train to Chelmsford. So this is the way. So this is Liverpool Street Station. This is National Line. See the station. I came here. First time I came here in the year 2019, October 20th. I still remember. So the station looks similar. See the vibes. See the people. Excellent. I never went outside. Today I will went outside and come. So this is a beautiful Liverpool Street Station. So I never came out and saw it. So because I want to take a video, so I came out. So this is McDonald's. See the buildings. So just this is Central London. So that's why we can see all offices, big buildings. This business district, central business district, or whatever we can call it. Central London is most expensive and most valuable area in the world. So this is London and it is Central London. So this is the main entrance of Liverpool Street. See how excellent it is. So again I am going to it's called concourse, the platform area. So you can see the different platforms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Chelmsford is like 10 to 15. So it is same, I think same from past 22 years. So when I have first visited in 2002, October 20th, I told it was on Sunday. So I came here to do my masters in 2002, October 19th on Saturday. So immediately next day I went to Chelmsford to look for my accommodation and to meet my friends. See the display boards, they are excellent. So I always used to admire these display boards. So it's digital, it's from past 23 years, there is no change. So you can see I want to take that 936 platform. So platform 82 display, Colchester town, it is calling it Stratford, Ramford, Shenfield and Chelmsford. Chelmsford I will reach around 10:10. So I will take a ticket, I will buy a ticket. So I have to go to tickets area. You can see different restaurants, the cafes. So once I used this toilets here, so it was 20 pence in the year 2022, but not now. I don't know prices now, so it might be increased. So I am going towards ticketing area. So because I have to buy a ticket and I have a pass which covers zones 1 to 6. Here in London it is zones, it is called zones. So I have a pass, so zones 1 to 6. So I have to take a ticket after zone 6. So because up till zone 6 it is free. So after that you can see Starbucks, WH Smith. So they are all famous here, famous brands. I can't find ticketing. I am just, so I will look. It is somewhere hidden, I know. Yeah, tickets that way. So it used to be this left side. So I think their new shops came up, new cafes, and I think they have moved to different place. So yeah, ticketing area. Yeah, tickets. I want to have manual tickets, but I can't see. They have changed it. See, ticket office entrance. It used to be other side, opposite side. Now they have moved into inside. So these are the trains I have to take. These are platforms. So my platform, it probably 10 to 15 platforms always. Chelmsford, Colchester. Colchester is the oldest town, recorded town in UK. So Stansted, Clacton on Sea, Walton on Naze, Southend, all these trains goes. So this is the ticket office. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.